Hi, Shasta College community. I'm Chef Ryan, and this is
Chef Eleanor.
So today we were prepping for our meal kit number 3. Eleanor, what do we have going on right here?
So meal kit number 3 is our baked potato with our Caesar salad. This is all of our ingredients that goes in with our baked potato. You've washed and scrubbed your potato and dried it, and you've seasoned it with a little bit of vegetable oil and a little salt, and wrapped it in your aluminum foil. So this is one that we've baked. So you cut it lengthwise down the middle and kind of give it a little squeeze, open it up a little bit. So next you'll take your little bit of butter, put on there, and next we'll put on a bit of chili. And then next we could put on a little cheese, get that melting a little bit. Alrighty, and so next you top a little bit of broccoli on it, and we'll put a little sour cream on top of that. And then I already have some onions sliced up, but I'll show you how, just very simple to slice your onions. So, and that we'll put a little sprinkling of, yes, let's put the potato on the plate, and let me demonstrate how I chop the romaine lettuce for the salad. You cut it a couple different times to get it, and then lengthwise like this, bite-sized pieces. And then we'll put it in our bowl here.
So this is what?
This is Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan.
And thank you very much. And this is our Caesar salad dressing. We'll just put that right on top as well. Thank you. And here's our house-made croutons. They're seasoned with Italian seasoning. So we'll just stir this up a bit, combine it all. And this feeds a family of 4.
That was really good.
So we'll just put a bit of salad here. All right, there you are. I hope you enjoy your meal.
That looks good.
Thank you.